In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Figma component that allows text to reflow from the bottom of one column to the beginning of another column. This is something that has always been fairly easy to do in CSS using the column count property. For example, I have two columns of text here, which is set by this column count property. And if I change the value from 2 to 3 to 4, the text reflows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma to get a similar effect using a very simple component. The first thing we need to do is create a block of text. I'm going to paste in my text from our HTML demo, and then let's resize this column down into something a bit more manageable. All right, and now we're going to copy this block of text. And then we're going to create a component, and let's give this component a bit of spacing. We'll set it to center, and let's give it a slightly off-white background color here. Excellent, great. The next thing we need to do is wrap each column of text in its own frame. Go ahead and frame column 1, and then frame column 2. And to make this effect work, we have to clip the content in both columns. So choose the frame, select clip content. To have text reflow from the bottom of this column to the top of this column, we have to make sure that we have the same lines of text in each column, and we have to make sure that we resize and clip the column on the left from the bottom and from the right at the top. So we know we have 10 lines of text in each column. I want to have 5 lines of text here. I'm going to hold Command on my Mac, Control on Windows, and I'm going to drag this frame upwards, cutting off 5 columns of text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over here in this column, I'm going to hold Command on a Mac, Control on Windows, and drag this column down 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to convert this into a component. To make overflow work, we need to apply a text property to this column of text. And then we need to select the same text property for this block of text. So they now both have the same text property. And if we take an instance of this component and drag it into our stage, you'll notice that after the word serenity, when I type, the words are going to appear here in front of the word has. So a wonderful serenity, big red car drove past. You can see that text is being typed here, but it's reflowing to the top of the column here. So that's how we get text to reflow in Figma. If you want to play around with this file, there's a link to the file on the Figma community in the video description. And if you want to see how to add texture to your Figma files, check out this video. And if you want to see how to create business card templates in Figma, you can check out this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and sharing this video wherever your Figmates might benefit from it.